Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your dates into shorter format. So as you can see in I column I have hour, minutes and seconds. So I want only hour and minutes. So I want to convert this as hour and minute format. So I'm going to write the text formula for this and select the cell reference, and then in quotes I'm going to write the format, which is as I mentioned, HHMM, which is hour and minutes, and then I'm going to add AM PM based on the time. Now I'm going to end the parenthesis and hit enter. So as you can see, it's automatically changes into shorter format and it looks nice. Like if it is like post 12, it converts into PM. Let's say if it is 2022 and then 1 minute and 00 seconds. So if you drag the formula, it actually tells you the time like 10:01 p.m. So based on the 24 hours format, it changes into AM and PM. So this is how you can change into AM PM format. You can call it anyway, or hour and minute format. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.